Hello, my name is Laura. I am a PhD student from University of Latvia. Our research focuses on the development of new diagnostic approaches for malaria detection using aptamers as diagnostic recognition elements. Malaria, which is caused by Plasmodium parasites, remains one of the leading causes of mortality worldwide, especially among children and pregnant women. Rapid and accurate diagnosis is essential for effective treatment and control of this disease. However, currently available antibody-based rapid diagnostic tests still have several important limitations. These include insufficient sensitivity at low parasitemia levels, limited ability to reliably differentiate between different Plasmodium species, and up to 20% false positive rate. Because of these challenges, alternative molecular recognition elements are being explored. At the University of Latvia, two single-stranded DNA aptamers have been previously identified. These aptamers recognize Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax lactate dehydrogenase. These aptamers named PF-LDH3T and PV-LDH2 show potential for the development of an aptamer-based malaria diagnostic biosensor. Therefore, the aim of the study was to investigate potential application of these aptamers as a bioselective recognition layer under biosensor relevant conditions. To validate these aptamers, we evaluated their binding against three different protein sources. One in-house produced Plasmodium falciparum LDH and two commercially available proteins obtained from Span Diagnostics and Creative Diagnostics. To determine the affinity of these aptamers toward these targets and to calculate their KD value, we used the direct ELONA method. In addition, we also used the sandwich ELONA method to evaluate the performance of these aptamers as capture and detection molecules. To further assess the system, we also tested a hybrid ELONA approach in which a capture antibody was combined with a detection aptamer in order to improve the capture efficiency of the assay. Furthermore, to explore the potential application of these aptamers in the biosensor platform, we also investigated aptamer immobilization on gold surface. This was performed using fluorescence measurements to evaluate the surface binding of thiol functionalized aptamers. Our results showed that the affinity of the aptamers towards Plasmodium LDH varied significantly depending on the protein source used. The best KD values were obtained when the Span Diagnostics protein was used in the assay. Notably, this was also the protein which was used in the original selection process of the aptamers. In contrast, the protein which was obtained from Creative Diagnostics demonstrated the lowest KD value and the lowest aptamer binding. For the sandwich ELONA experiments using amino plates, we employed an amino-modified aptamer as the capture molecule with a biotin-modified aptamer as detection. In this configuration, the aptamer PF-LDH3T used both as capture and detection element showed the best results. We also tried biotin conjugated capture aptamer on streptavidin plates. However, this did not work for us. Target LDH binding was further enhanced when we applied the hybrid ELONA format, which utilized a capture antibody together with a detection aptamer. This does suggest that further optimization of the capture aptamer immobilization on the surface may be required to improve the assay performance. Finally, we confirmed concentration-dependent immobilization of thiol functionalized aptamers on a gold surface using fluorescence measurements. These findings indicate that this system can serve as a representative model for the development of future aptamer-based biosensors for malaria detection. Thank you so much.